Today we're going to learn how to make Pooch pancakes. What you need for this from your Pooch and Mutt shopping bag is eggs and some sweet potato. Once you've rinsed the sweet potato, simply prick a few times with a fork and then put in the microwave. Whisk one egg in a bowl. Once your potato has come out of the microwave and is feeling nice and soft, leave it to cool for a second, then slice it in the middle. Sweet potatoes are full of B vitamins and fibre, all of which is great for your dog. Add to the sweet potato and egg mixture a generous spoonful of flour and a glug of water. Mix together with a fork, then whisk. Heat some coconut oil in a pan. Ladle in your pancake mixture to the pan. After a few minutes, flip the pancake. Place the pancake in your dog's bowl and leave to cool. As dogs really shouldn't have maple syrup, you can try a little bit of Pooch and Mutt's salmon oil instead. Come on, Pet! Pancake time! That is one clean pancake bowl and one happy dog. They also taste great for humans.